ever watched a movie in English and understood it all? But when it's your turn to speak, your brain goes completely blank. You're not alone. This happens to thousands of learners, and today we're going to fix it together. In this video, you'll discover why you understand English, but can't speak it, and more importantly, 3 powerful steps to finally unlock your voice. You'll learn how to train your brain, build speaking confidence, and finally start talking. Without fear, without freezing, and without translating in your head. Oh, and here's the fun part. If you stay with me till the end, we'll turn everything you've learned into a short, fun English song to help you remember it forever. So, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Neurolingo English, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a chance to grow your English. Let's get started. Step 1. Stop being just a listener. You understand English when you read or listen. That's great. It means your brain already knows the language. But here's the problem. Listening is passive. Speaking is active. When you watch videos, you feel like you're learning. But if you never use the language, your brain becomes lazy. It knows the words, but it can't produce them. So, what's the fix? Start repeating what you hear. Out loud. Not in your head. Not silently. Use your voice. It doesn't matter if you're alone. Practice speaking to yourself. Like, I'm watching a video now. Or, this is how I learn. Even 5 minutes a day will train your mouth, your memory, and your confidence. Step 2. Train your brain to speak, not just translate. If you translate everything from your native language before you speak, you're slowing yourself down. Your brain is doing double work. First, think in one language, then translate it, then speak it. That's not fluency, that's frustration. Instead, start thinking in simple English. When you see a chair, say, chair. When you feel tired, say, I'm tired. No need to build big sentences. Just think small. And think in English. Repeat your thoughts. Say them out loud. Like, I'm hungry. It's cold today. I'm learning English now. The more you do this, the faster your brain becomes automatic. Step 3. Speak before you're ready. This sounds scary, but it works. Many people wait until they're ready to speak, but that day never comes. You don't get fluent first and then speak. You speak first, and fluency comes later. So talk. Make mistakes. Say, that's okay. Even if your grammar's wrong, you are learning. Even if your words are simple, you are growing. Remember, no one learns to swim by reading a book. You have to get in the water. English works the same way, so now you know. You're not bad at English. You just needed a better way to unlock your voice. Remember, repeat out loud, think in English, speak, before you feel ready. If you do that every day, even a little, your confidence will grow. Your voice will grow, and you will grow. If this video helped you, show it some love. Click like, leave a comment, and subscribe to Neurolingo English. I read every comment, and I promise to reply. Let's grow together, one simple, clear step at a time. And now, as promised, your reward. A short and fun English song to help you remember today's 3 steps. Sing along if you like, or just enjoy it. Let's go.
I understand the words I hear, but when I speak, they disappear. So now I talk a little each day, even if I don't know what to say. I don't wait till I feel just right. it proud, come with us, speak out loud, say it now, say you're proud, now roll it